In this step, we will machine the cylindrical helix using axis substitution. Axis substitution is used to wrap a tool path around a cylinder. The geometry can be either flat or already properly oriented in 3D space. The tool path replaces the X or Y axis with a rotary axis, known as an A axis or B axis. Using this option, the part will be rotated about the rotating axis while the tool moves perpendicular to the axis of rotation. The rotary diameter sets the size of the cylinder that the tool path is rotating about. It is used mainly for tool paths on cylinders. To machine the helix, we will use a contour tool path with no cutter compensation. Select Contour. Then select the line here. Then press OK. Select Tool. Then select Library Tool. Click on Filter. Make sure the tool type is set to Flat End Mill. And make sure the tool diameter is equal to 1 inch. Then press OK. Select the 1 inch flat end mill and press OK. Enter the comment, machine the helix using axis substitution. Select cut parameters. Change compensation type to off. Compensation is turned off as we want the tool to follow the chain with the center of the tool. Select Depth Cuts. Enable Depth Cuts and set the max rough step to 0.25. Make sure number of finished cuts is 0 and set finish step to 0 as well. Select Lead In Out. Disable Gouge Check. Enter Exit at Midpoint, Entry, and Exit. Enable Adjust Start of Contour and set the length to 100%, Extend. Then copy the values over. Select Linking Parameters. Make sure Clearance is enabled and set to 2 Absolute. Retract is enabled, set to 0.25 Absolute. Feed plane is 0.1 Incremental. Top of stock is 0 Absolute. And the depth is minus 0.5 Absolute. The radius of the rotary diameter is added to all the Z positions during the output. The absolute values are measured from the cylinder diameter set up in the rotary axis control page. The incremental values are measured from the chained geometry. Select Rotary Axis Control. Change the rotation type to Axis Substitution. Make sure Axis Substitution is set to Substitute Y-axis, the rotation direction is clockwise, and the rotary diameter is 4. Then make sure Unroll is disabled. Press OK to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. Then, verify the operation. When Verify is finished, close the simulation window. At this point, the file is ready to be posted. However, please be aware that the default MPFan post-processor does not work with depth cuts. This will cause Mastercam to freeze if you attempt to post the operation. Your machine's specific post-processor will not experience this issue. Also, the free Mastercam Home Learning Edition demo software does not support post-processing. The Post-Selected Operations button does not work, and no G-code can be created in the free demo version. Save your file.